Imagine preparing a full set of aligned discussion prompts and activities in less than 5 minutes without sacrificing quality or depth. In this video, I'll show you how AI can streamline lesson planning, allow you to focus on what matters most, engaging and inspiring your students. Watch as we generate effective curriculum-aligned questions in real time, proving that meaningful prep can be fast and easy. We're going to show how this can be done right now, step by step, so you can see just how easy it is to create engaging, aligned content on the fly. We're going to start by opening Magic School AI and navigating to Raina, the chatbot. Here we can interact with Raina by typing or speaking. I'm going to use the speech-to-text functionality. I'm going to click my microphone button, create a list of 10 questions about digital footprints that align with the Common Sense Media digital literacy curriculum for 6th grade. And here, it will bring back those 10 questions. Now I look at this list and I think, I want to organize this information. Organize these questions into a table with columns for the question, the aligned Common Sense Media Standard, and a corresponding 6th grade Common Core State Standard ELA standard that could match this particular question. I'm going to hit send, and it will work on that, creating that table. And so now I have a question, I have a Common Sense Media Standard, and I also have a Common Core State Standard for 6th grade ELA that is in that table. One thing that we might want to do is have kids demonstrate their understanding of that particular topic. Add a column to the table that suggests 2 to 3 ways a student could demonstrate their understanding of each particular topic. And so now it's supplementing that original table with a 4th column on the far right, which gives a couple of examples of ways in which students could demonstrate their understanding. And I want to make sure I review this table for clarity and consistency, just making sure that everything aligns with what I'm looking to work with. I want to make sure that all the columns are filled out appropriately. I can ask it to update the table if I need to. If I need to tweak anything, I can. For right now, I feel I'm okay with this. I'm going to export it to Google Docs. I'm going to click Export and Export to Google Docs. The selected resource, which is the last response that it gave, that's all I want to export. I don't want all of the other tables that were created because this is the final output that I want. I'm going to click Export and then Open. And now I have a column of 10 questions that are aligned, and I have some ways that students can show their understanding of those particular questions. So by following these steps and using these prompts, teachers can efficiently create comprehensive, standard-aligned resources for teaching about digital footprints or any other subject matter that you might have. This process showcases how AI can be a valuable tool in curriculum planning and resource creation. It helps save time when producing high-quality materials that align with educational standards.